Welcome to our channel. If Hinge isn't working correctly, or you're experiencing message errors and connection problems, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step 1. Open your phone settings and navigate to Apps or Application Manager. Locate Hinge in your app list and tap on it to access settings. Step 2. Select Storage or Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing errors. Avoid clearing data unless necessary. Step 3. Force stop the Hinge app from your device settings, then close it completely by swiping it away from your recent apps menu. Step 4. Check that you have a stable internet connection by testing other apps or websites. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if connectivity is the issue. Step 5. Ensure Hinge has permission to access your location services. Go to your device settings, find Location or Permissions, and verify Hinge has location access enabled. Step 6. Visit your App Store and search for Hinge. Check if there's an update available and install it to get the latest bug fixes and features. Step 7. If messaging errors continue, try logging out of Hinge and logging back in. Go to Settings in the app, select Logout, then sign back in with your phone number. If the app still doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.